our first year, 2005 of farming, we grew eggplant. We didn't really have much knowledge about eggplant previously. And we fertilized it midway through the season with turkey compost, which is pretty high nitrogen, high fertility. And the plants got like gigantic and gorgeous, and they were like small shrubs. I mean, they were like about like 4 feet, 4.5 feet tall. And we got maybe an eggplant on every other plant.
Wow.
Like, we got no production. I mean, at the end of the season, it was the beginning of October, and we needed to get the plants out of the field because they were so huge. We couldn't just, like, leave them in the field. They would, they wouldn't break down by the next year. And they were like small trees. And it took 2 of us, and we had some friends helping us. Each one of us, the couples were working together, and one of us had the shovel while the other one was pulling with all of their weight in October. And by that time, you're pretty strong. And we could like barely get them out of the ground. And we didn't even get any eggplant off of them, which was the worst thing. So what we learned afterwards was that you don't fertilize eggplant because the nitrogen stimulates like the leaf production, so it gets all this foliage, and you don't get any eggplant, you don't get any fruit. So that was something that we remembered, and now like when we see those friends, we're like, remember the eggplant? Like